If you think it's hot now, you are not going to like the next couple of days. Potentially dangerous heat wave is moving into West Michigan.
So we begin tonight with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons with a first look at the forecast and what we should expect over the next couple of days, George.
We started talking about this possible heat wave about 10 days ago, and now it is right at the edge. And a number of things happen usually with the heat wave. One of them is we have high elevated ozone levels, and we have a clean air action day that has been declared for Thursday. That's for Muskegon, Kent, and Ottawa counties down through Allegan and Van Buren counties. Here are some of the things that you can do to help things out. Just mow your lawn, refuel your vehicle if you can after 6 o'clock, and there are going to be free rides on the Max and Rapid here in Grand Rapids and Holland. Walk, carpool, or bike to work if you can, but just take it easy. A number of advisories, heat alerts, none for lower Michigan as of yet. Heat advisory means heat values may get to 100 or higher. Down here in the pink, that is a warning. Heat values up to 105, and just a watch. They're watching the situation over extreme southern lower Michigan, most of Indiana and Ohio as well. Nothing as of yet here in West Michigan. Our heat index values are going to jump to about 105 here, according to one of our models tomorrow. The actual temperature at 92 and around 93 here on Friday. Heat index values again will be right around 106. So get somewhere comfortable, air conditioning if you can, or get to a place where there's a lot of shade, maybe a pool or even along the beach. We'll talk about the weekend forecast coming up here in just a few minutes. Well, since the beginning of July, it has been warm, if not hot at times, but this is going to be the longest stretch of continuous hot and very humid weather. We've already begun that. 13 weather ball, believe it or not, is red. Even hotter weather ahead and just as humid. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. How do we do today? We forecast a high of 88. It was 89 this afternoon. That is within 3 degrees with your 3-degree guarantee, 7 days in a row with that. Your weather headlines is going to be a very warm night, warmer than several nights. In fact, it will be not only tonight, but tomorrow night as well. Now, there is a possible morning shower or a thunderstorm tonight, generally north of M82, and that will be during the morning tomorrow. And again, perhaps on Friday morning, US 10 northward. Just hot and very humid Thursday through Saturday with highs in the 90s, dew points in the 70s, and then less humid, more seasonable weather all next week, including on Sunday. Today we had the influences of the Lake Michigan lake breeze right in through here. There was one pop-up shower here in southwest Newaygo County, northern Muskegon County. That is even dissipating. We're watching an area back to the west for some storms to develop. If that does indeed happen, again, it'll be to the north towards daybreak and in the morning up there as a warm front comes on through. That's really going to turn up the heat and humidity. But a lot of afternoon sunshine both Thursday and again on Friday. Let's track those. There are some pop-up thunderstorms to the north. A little overdone by the models there, but then over the next couple of hours they fall apart. We're going to see partly cloudy to mostly clear skies the rest of the night. Sunshine to start your day, but again, there might be that area of showers and storms that go generally north of M82 during the morning hours, and then it races to the east. And we may do this again Thursday night and on Friday. Watch how far north the showers and storms early on Friday are. They're way up there. So again, a couple of dry days. We don't get any rain next couple of days. We have one more chance on Saturday, and then we're back into some dry weather after that. Here is the heat index forecast over the next couple of days. It may get as hot, or it might feel as hot as 102 here during the day tomorrow. Might feel as hot as 105 during the day on Friday. Saturday, a little bit of a relief, especially up north, may be as hot as 103. That's what it will feel like according to the models. And then we finally get some relief during the day on Sunday. So for tomorrow, right now, we just have a clean air action day for Muskegon, Ottawa, Kent counties down to the south. Highs will be in the low in mid-90s. The winds are going to be more southerly, so not any lake influence. Up to the north, again, Hart and Ludington, there might be that early morning shower or a storm. Up north, mid-80s to near 90. Again, if there are any, again, north of M82 and from Grand Rapids southward. Clean air action day, of course, for Grand Rapids with highs in the low and mid-90s, maybe even as warm as 96 in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. We'll cool off into the mid-80s on Sunday. Dew points are going to drop rapidly, so it'll feel like a whole different weather pattern. That's what we have early next week. Temperatures at or a little bit below average, low 80s, but we'll take that after this heat wave, and we'll warm things up slowly toward the following weekend. Next chance of rain may not come until the following Saturday night.